Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into an exciting process, withdrawing funds from Buffalo Network and transferring them to Trust Wallet. So, get ready for a detailed, step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you have the Buffalo Network app installed on your device. This process will allow you to move your funds securely and efficiently. Let's start by opening the Buffalo Network app. Navigate to the menu, located at the bottom next to the home icon. Find and select the Payments section, and once there, click on Withdraw in the top right corner. In the Withdrawal section, you will have the option to choose the blockchain you wish to withdraw your funds to. In this tutorial, we will focus on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, it's time to get the Buffalo Network address. For this, we open the Trust Wallet app. To integrate Buffalo Network into Trust Wallet, go to Manage Crypto. There, select the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, you will need the Buffalo Network contract, and to find it you can open the browser and type Buffalo Network. In the results, make sure to enter the BNB Smart Chain page. And copy the 9-decimal contract address. Go back to Trust Wallet, select Binance Smart Chain, paste the Buffalo Network contract. Now click Import. This step ensures that Trust Wallet recognizes and handles Buffalo Network seamlessly. In Trust Wallet, click Receive and copy the address provided. This address is where your funds will be sent from Buffalo Network. Return to the Buffalo Network application, enter the receiving address you copied earlier and click Withdraw. It's a simple process that ensures the security of your transfer. I hope this detailed tutorial has been helpful. If you liked it and want more content about cryptocurrencies, feel free to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.